Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today I am sharing some beautiful and creative jute craft ideas that are easy to make and perfect for home decoration. Jute is a simple, affordable and can be turned into amazing handmade items. If you love DIY crafts and creative projects, then this video is just for you. So let's get started. Jute is one of the most versatile material for crafting. With just a little creativity, you can transform ordinary rope into beautiful decorative piece for your home. One of the most popular jute craft is a decorative basket. These baskets can be used to store small items, like also add a rustic touch to any room. They are simple to make and look amazing. Another wonderful idea is creating jute coasters. These coasters protect your table and give it a stylish handmade look. They are practical and beautiful at the same time. You can also make decorative flower pots using jute rope. Wrapping a plain pot with rope instantly change its appearance and make it look elegant and unique. Wall decoration made with jute rope are also very popular. They add warmth and texture to your living space, and you can be customized many different ways. Jute rope mirrors are another creative project. A simple mirror can be a stunning decorative piece of the rope border around it. Many people enjoy making candle holders with jute rope. These handmade candle holders create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere in any room. You can even create beautiful table mats using jute rope. These mats are durable, eco-friendly, and perfect for everyday use. Handmade rope trays are also great craft ideas. They can be used for serving snacks, or organizing small household items. One of the best thing about jute rope craft is they are beginner friendly. Do you not need expensive tools or special skills to create something beautiful? Crafting with jute rope is also a wonderful way to recycle and reuse old materials. It helps reduce waste while using useful decoration. The natural color of jute rope blends well with the almost every home decor style, from modern to traditional. Every handmade project reflects creativity and personal effort that would make DIY craft too special and meaningful. Sometimes the simplest material create the most beautiful results. Jute rope is a perfect example for this. Like, creativity is not about having expensive supplies. It is about using ordinary things in extraordinary way. When you work on handmade craft, you are not only creating decoration but also building your creative skill and confidence. Each new craft project teach something different and inspire you new for future creation. The beauty of handmade item lies in their uniqueness. No two handmade craft are exactly the same. Jute rope craft can also wonderful gift for family and friends because they handmade with care. They are made with care and creativity. Many people and find crafting relaxing and enjoyable. It is a great way to spend free time while creating something useful. Whatever you are decorating your home or starting a crafting hobby, jute rope projects are fantastic choice. Keep experimenting with different shapes, design, and patterns. Every new idea can become a beautiful creation. Remember, creativity grows when you are practice. The more you create, the more ideas you discover. A big thank of you all my amazing viewers and subscribers. Your support, comments, and encouragement inspire me to keep creating a new content. If you enjoy this craft ideas, please share this video to your friends and family who love DIY projects. Thank you for being part of my creative journey. I truly appreciate every single one of you. That's for today video. I hope this enjoyed these creative jet of craft ideas and found inspiration for DIY next DIY project. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, comment the channel, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new craft video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. Real creativity starts when we stop looking for ideas outside and start trusting the ideas inside us. A simple piece of jet rope may ordinary, but in creative hand it can become something truly beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. I hope this creative jet rope craft ideas inspired you to make something beautiful and with your own hands. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Keep creating, keep learning, keep remember that every great creation starts with a simple idea. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. Every handmade creation tell a story, and today added you another beautiful story to your creative journey. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Remember, great ideas don't have always come from expensive material. They are from our creative mind. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye friends. Bye everyone.